southeastern Ohio, Morgan County in southeastern Ohio, Benton County in southeastern Ohio, Washington County in southeastern Ohio, northwestern Will County in central West Virginia, Jackson County in northwestern West Virginia, Wood County in northwestern West Virginia, Wood County in northwestern West Virginia, Mason County in western West Virginia, until 11 p.m. Eastern Standard Time Sunday. Before 4:27 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, Joshua radar indicated that heavier rain across the warned area is starting to let up. However, through the evening, between 1.5 and 2.5 inches of rain have fallen so far today. Some locations that will experience flooding include Parkersburg, Athens, Marietta, Belle Creek, Jackson, Welton, Nelsonville, Point Pleasant, Gallup Leach, Ripley, Central, Conroy, Gloucester, McConnellsville, McCarthy, Oak Hill, Beverly, Rio Grande, Albany, and Elizabeth. Additional rainfall amounts of 0.5 to 1 inch are possible in the warned area. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. This is a flood bulletin for the following counties.
I don't think KJY60 will go off for it.